Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send Solana from your Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we have Coinbase and Phantom wallet. All we have to do is first open our Coinbase application, and then from here, once we are settled in the main homepage, all we have to do is go to the assets section, and then from here is going to show us all the crypto that we have. Simply click on transfer, and then from here, you're going to click on send crypto. Once you click on send crypto and it shows you to this page, it's going to request for your address. Now, if you haven't used it before, then don't worry. All you have to do is exit the application, and then from here, you're going to go to Phantom Wallet. Once Phantom Wallet loads and you are settled in the main homepage right here, all you have to do is click on the Solana in the tokens section, or you can simply go to the bottom right and then search for Solana in the Sison token. Once you click on Solana, it's like this, it's going to offer you a few options, one of them simply saying receive. So you're going to click on receive, and then from here, as you can see, now you are provided with their address. So from here, you're going to click on copy, and so you're going to exit the application, go back to Coinbase, and then from here, you're going to click on here and paste from clipboard. Now that you have that, click on it, select it, and then from here you can select whichever amount of cryptocurrency you would like to send and transfer. So simply click on the Solana that you own, and then from here you're going to load a bit, and as you can see right now we have available option, so you can add for however much you would like to send. So for example 25 cents, and so from here you're going to click on preview, and now it's going to show you the amount that you selected. I just changed it to $1, and then from here is going to show you all the details and the total that is going to seem. And so from here, all you have to do is click on send. And once you click on send now, it's going to show you the procedure that you have sent $1. So click on done. And then just to double check, as you can see in the transactions, it's showing that it's pending. And so if we now get out of Coinbase and then go to Phantom Wallet, then just like that, it shows that you have just received some Solana. And if you click on it, then all the details check out at just right now. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.